Okay guys, I'm really excited today because something in the mail just arrived, and this will hopefully, I know it will, but it will help me to enhance my workouts and have more energy, and just give me that extra edge that I need in order to keep going and just be focused on my end goal. So let's unbox it right now. Here is the package. Let's see what we got. I wonder what it is. Oh, just what I wanted. A bunch of paper. Of course not. Oh, that's the invoice. Alright, that's important. We want to keep that for sure. Alright. Oh boy, look at this. Look at this. Let's see, what is this here? Alright. 30 grams, 1 scoop, 25 grams of protein. Check out the ingredients here. Casein. It's not bad. Let's see how many leucine. Okay, 7.5 grams. Get right here. And then glutamic acid. Histamine 3. Leucine, isoleucine, and then Zeland right here. Okay, it's not too bad. Wow, this is really good. Really happy. Alright, to the next one. Whoa, what is this? Super greens. Powder. Let's check out the ingredients. Wow, there are so many. As you can see, flaxseed, pumpkin seed, oil, sunflower, barley, alfalfa with grass, spinach, liver, spirulina, kale, cauliflower, milk thistle. Just a bunch of different veggies that you need to have in your meal plan. Oh, and what I'm most excited about, it's right here. And so heavy. Ugh. It's the big boy. Canadian protein, grass-fed, New Zealand whey protein. Chocolate milkshake. Alright, I just want to show you guys the nutritional profile for this one right here, because it's a bomb. Okay, so per 1 scoop, 30 grams, we've got 126 calories and 24 grams of protein. On top of that, per scoop, well, actually this is per 100 grams, so divided by 3. Alright, let's see, leucine right here, 12 grams, so that's roughly 4 grams per scoop. It's not too bad. Isoleucine, okay, yeah, roughly 2 point something. What is the other one? Valine. Yeah, so roughly 1.8. So it's not too bad. Let's see the ingredients here. Ingredients per scoop: whey protein concentrate. That's it. Well, I want to give a shout out to Canadian Protein. These arrived here in less than a week. So yeah, I'm excited to see the gains that this is gonna help me. It's gonna help me to create, I guess. And remember, winners never quit and quitters never win. Stay strong, everybody.